Hi everyone, this is Rishi and in this video we are going to unbox this WD Elements My Passport drive. This is a 2 TB drive and I have purchased this from a local vendor for about 5900 rupees. Actually, I was more skeptical of which one to choose, a Seagate or WD Elements, since I was unable to find a Seagate drive at 2 TB of capacity here in my city. So I have opted for this WD drive. So this drive, I told you, has costed me rupees 5900, and this is a 2 TB of capacity. Actually, he gave me two options to choose between WD Elements and WD My Passport. So I opted for My Passport because as I checked on WD site, this drive is having better speeds and better capabilities than the regular one. Actually, that WD Element drives of 2 TB is of rupees 5600. That is almost 200 to 300 rupees cheaper than this drive. So here is the drive. This is the cage. Nothing else in the box. This is the box, how it looks, and here is the drive. Okay. So what we get, some leaflets. These are the North American leaflets and warranty cards. The literature part. And what is this? This is hello. And we have WD Discovery, WD Backup, need support. Okay. And here is the drive itself. He gave me in the orange color. So this is the drive, and here are some of the. So it's made in Thailand. The product is made in Thailand, and let's see what's written in the package. It's yes, the product is made in Thailand. So this is the drive. Okay. And here is the cable. This is a USB 3 cable. This drive is supporting only USB 3. So let's see. It's connected to my PC, and let's see what the drive we are having. Speeds of this drive. The main thing is speeds. Sorry for the. Actually, I don't have any professional setup, so. Yes, the drive has been detected. Yes, you can see that 1.181 TB. And here are some of the softwares. Let's see what the softwares are about. WD Discovery, install WD Utilities, WD Software Installers for Windows, Application Utilities, Security. So this drive is having a lot more features, as I told you. Actually, this drive is having comes with 3 years of warranty. Okay, the speed, see the speeds. This is the incredible speeds of this drive. Over 100 Mbps, 90 Mbps. Okay, that's great. So let's boot up Dick Speed Test. That's by Blackmagic, and let's see the real world speed of this drive. That's WD My Passport of 2 TB. Let's see the target, and the target is yes, My Passport. And okay, done, and start. Okay, the write speeds are 110, 111, 110, 109, 107, and read speeds are 109 and 110, 111, 110, 109. The performance of this drive is really good, and for the price. And so thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I say that you should go and buy this drive. This drive is perfect, and you can also buy the Seagate, Toshiba. Just compare. Let's start that the drive of the speed matters a lot when you're transferring tons and tons and gigabytes of file. So thank you for watching this. I hope you enjoy. This is Ashish signing off. Have a great day. Bye bye.